So guys, phone farming, it's been here for a while now, and you guys are probably wondering, is it even worth doing in 2020? So we're gonna go ahead and actually find out in today's video, so make sure you guys stay tuned, and yeah, let's jump right into it. Let's go. Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead, smash that subscribe button for me. Thank you guys so very much. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. Okay guys, so in today's video, we're just gonna go ahead and go over, is it really worth starting a phone farm in 2020? Now the simple answer is yes, you guys should start a phone farm if you haven't already, but if you guys do already currently own a few phones, then maybe you might want to reconsider. Now what I mean by that is if you already invested in a few phones, I would suggest not investing any more into phone farming because, well, yeah, phone farming has seen better days. Because recently guys, phone farming hasn't been the same as it used to be, and you guys probably know that if you've been phone farming too. I mean, my most recent payouts were looking a little bit like, yeah, pretty skimpy. So I'm pretty sure you guys already know this if you've done phone farming before, and that is that phone farming earnings have gone significantly down, and that is due to the fact that apps are being shut down throughout the entire, course of phone farming. For example, the big earners used to be U apps, perk apps, which by the way, they're no longer around, sadly. And also a more recent one called AA Music, which I have done a video on, but it's kind of taken down now because apparently something wasn't working and they had to shut down the app. Now I did hear that AA Music was coming back, but yeah guys, I haven't seen it around and I'm pretty sure it's gone, at least for now. Maybe it's because of this coronavirus that they haven't actually released their app again. Re-released, I think that's what it's called. Anyways, wrapping up my thoughts here, I do know that some of you guys are thinking of starting a phone farm, or already just started investing in a phone farm. So you know what, I decided to give you guys, yes, you right here, some tips that you would actually benefit from. So let's go ahead, get started with that really quick. So the first tip I wanted to give you guys is don't over invest in the phone farm, because guys, trust me, you'll have a hard time making it back. So with phone farming, like I said, there's not many apps out there. There are a few like Swagbucks out there for you guys to use. AA Music is, oh wait, right, it's gone. Basically guys, the reliable apps, the only ones that are really left anyways, are Cash Magnet and Swagbucks, which by the way, both apps have limits on how many devices you guys can actually run at the same time. So for Cash Magnet, 4 devices only, which, yeah, 4 devices. And Swagbucks, which gives you even less, 3 devices. That's just great, isn't it? And obviously guys, there are a few miscellaneous apps out there such as Current Music and FitPlay, AppLike, and all those other random apps out there. So overall, I'd say guys, if you haven't already started phone farming, it is worth starting. Go ahead and get maybe 8 to 10 phones max, because that way you guys can max out the Cash Magnet limit and the Swagbucks limits, and then you guys can run a Current Music or maybe a few FitPlays here and there. Either way guys, I would not go above 10 phones per Wi-Fi. I know I have like a lot more than 10 phones. And that brings me to the other point is if you guys already have more than 10 phones, I would suggest holding off on buying any more and actually maybe try to sell those. So yeah guys, if you find this video helpful, make sure you guys go ahead and smash that subscribe button, leave a like. I know I already said this before, but yeah, you guys know the drill. Either way guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, thank you guys so very much for watching. Peace out for now.